In this step, we're going to add a title and a subtitle for our course. Now, you can just use a working title at this point. You can change the title and subtitle at any time, so don't feel like you have to get it exactly right at this point. Just put in a working title for your course that you can come back to later and tweak if you want to. So I'm going to call my course, the example course that I'm going to use throughout this tutorial, Cake Baking 101. And then my subtitle is going to be The Ultimate Guide to Baking Delicious Cakes at Home. Now you're also going to want to select an author for your course or product. Now your name or brand name that you signed up with your school should already be in here, but if it's not, you can always add a new author and then enter their name here. And if there are more than one author, because sometimes we work with other people to create courses, you can enter both names in this field. Once you're done filling out this information, click Create New Course. Then you'll be taken to the curriculum page. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your course outline.